Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video where we are going to teach you how to make some more beautiful interesting crafts. So are you guys excited for the same? Let's get started. So here you have to get the clays, press them up, and then here you need to, with the help of the sketch pens, you need to just proceed it in the manner and then make the beautiful scenery around. Isn't it cool? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here you need to get the clays, press them further and get such trees made, and then you need to press it in this manner and get beautiful starfish made in this manner. Isn't it cool? You need to get the bug and then get it over in this way. Cool, right? Now proceeding in this way, what are we gonna do? You have to just get the clays and then secure it further in this manner. You need to just do it like this, and this is gonna look damn pretty. Yeah, isn't it amazing? Keep on proceeding. Now here what are we gonna do? You just have to get the clay pressed with the help of your fingers and get them done like this. Get it made in this manner and you have to secure it like this is gonna look damn pretty, and here you have to get the clays and then get it done over it. This is gonna look amazing. Isn't it eye-alluring? Now here with the help of this you have to just get the shades made and then get the clays pressed inside, and you have to make these pigs look like this. Isn't it cool? You can make the different characters behind. Amazing, right? Keep on proceeding. Now here what are we up to? You have to get the flowers, get this ant again, and then you need to just secure it further in this way. What are we going to do here? You have to just press the clay again and get them pressed like this. You have to just secure it in this manner and then get the clay attached. Isn't it cool? And here what are we up to? You have to get these flowers made like this and then keep it further to make it look damn amazing. Now here again you need to press the clay with the help of these sticks. You need to just press it further and then make the impressions like this as we are showing in the video. Now rub the clay and then make the impressions like this, and you have to just paste it in this manner, get them beautifully attached and get these beautiful yellow flowers created all over. Isn't it looking damn pretty? Thank you guys.